Yeah, and I got it from AliExpress. But yeah, that's what she is. Welcome back to my channel, and today we just got a Birchbox unboxing. Now Birchbox is usually about £8 a month for me because I got it over an annual sort of thing, and yeah, I usually do like my Birchbox. And if you can hear something, it's just my cat. She's just going mad with a new toy. She's over there somewhere. Yeah, she loves it. It's like a new cat crazy about. Yeah, okay, so we're just gonna open Birchbox. It's like, yeah, I love this Birchbox unboxings and Rockerbox. I really did like my Rockerbox last time. As you see, I got my eyeshadow on that I used from Rockerbox. So yeah, just gonna check that video out. So yeah, this is Birchbox. Oh, I do like this Disney Frozen design. That is a really pretty box, and of course that is going to get used because it's absolutely gorgeous. I have in mind what I'm going to do with this box. This box is going to be handy for a Christmas present who is a Disney fan. So I'm going to put her present in this because it's pretty. And she loves Frozen as well. So do I. We're all Disney princesses. Well, not a princess, but we're Disney people. Here. Right, so, okay, so Birchbox, this is it. So I do like that. Oh yeah, and we carried on with the Disney Frozen design, which is really nice. And there we go. There is our product. Does it look good? Does it look good? Yes, I think it does. It looks good. So we're just going to pull out the first item. This is Brave New Hair. Oh, so it's a balancing for oily, sensitive scalp, face and body. This has got green tea in it, and it is an active bamboo. Okay, so it's Brave New Hair. What does it say it is? It says it's a hair product, but it says it's a deep cleansing and detoxifying hair mask. So it's sensitive and prone to greasiness scalp. Sorry if you can hear something. It's just my son outside with his iPod. He's a little bit annoying. So there we go. And there it is. Oh, it's like totally black. There, it's like a black clay sort of stuff. It's like, oh, it really is like it's like putty sort of thing. It's like weird texture. Okay, so I do like that because it's got a weird texture feeling. I just don't know. I like stuff that's weird. That's just my vibe. Does anybody else like weird stuff? Because I do. Okay, so then we got this looks like a lipstick, and it's in the shade, don't know whether that's going to show up, but it is in the shade, I will get it for you, Prune is the shade of it. Okay, so this is not going to be easy to open. Right, sorry for that. Something did happen when I was on showing you this, which is a lipstick, and it's in the shade Prune. So yeah, let's just get on with it and open it up. Sorry if you can hear noises. Oh, it's just my son. He's very noisy in the morning. Okay, so we've got into it. This is like a sample size. It's not actually a full size, but it's really nice. I do like that. Look at the colour. So I'm just going to try it on. I'm not going to try it on because it's just actually, it's been right beside a my radiator, but there it is. There's a shade. I will actually fix that back together, and hopefully it will actually work for me. But it's a nice shade. It's like a very pretty party-ish sort of pinky colour for the party season, of course. So I do like that. Right, okay, so I mean, realistically, for £8, what do you expect? It's quite actually not a bad box. So this is the SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. So this is a volume, refresh, hold and dry shampoo. Okay, so it's 100% vegan as well, and there it is. Super nice. I like the packaging, it really is quite nice. But of course, I'm going to try it on my hair, see what it does. Let's see what it's like. And, oh, it smells really nice. It has like a smell of like a violets, that sort of thing. Just a nice actually scent. I don't know whether it's actually done much to my hair, but we need to get to the oily bit, if I have any. Because I just recently washed my hair, so maybe it's not going to do a great lot of stuff, but it does smell nice. It has a nice scent. Yeah, I do like the scent of it. So okay, so that is enough for trying that one. Right, so then the next item what we got is a I will get right, bodyography lip pencil. So okay, so I see what they've done here. They have actually give us the lipstick, which is there, and the sort of lip liner, because that colour would probably match that colour. But we will have a look at it. Okay, so it's like a super, it's like a pinkish colour. I'm just going to see if it's going to match. Yeah, that one will match that one, definitely. Like that. Then the next item, what we got in here is a mask. Now we've had these before and I really do like these. You can get them in Superdrug and they are very good. I have tried this one before. And it's the Incredible Flower Power Hydrating Sheet Mask. I don't know whether I've had the Flower Power one, but I've definitely had one of these in my box before, and they are really super good. They're hydrating and just my face feels lovely after one. And it's of course got vitamin E in there, and it is made with the botanical flowers, so it's gonna suit. And that again is a perfect for a pamper night. You know, you're watching the movies, you have your hot chocolate, just imagine the scene, and you just put on your face mask. It's just, realistically, I actually do like to do that when I'm just like by myself. I just love to put on a decent movie and have a face mask on. And you'll see my cat, she's gone wild. So yeah, that is what we like to do in here. Just love pamper nights and movie nights and all of that sort of thing. Let me know if you do that. Right, okay, so we've come to the end of this unboxing, sadly, but it's empty. Right, so if you liked this unboxing, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel and press the little bell button. It just makes me happy, it makes my day that you are actually liking these videos, and so more people can get to see what I do with my unboxings. So yeah, make my day. Like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!